one reaching out to all the lovers who might be thinking of breaking up, or maybe even making up. Check it.
I missed a part of you. I can't get back.
Don't be a silly Millie. I'm always here for you through the thick and thin. Not just because we argue.
See, I want it to be true, but I can't do that.
Why not? What's stopping you? Don't be preposterous. I've got a lot of love, not just a lot of lust.
If I only were so fool, I'd be there.
Well, that's your own opinion, and you're entitled to